Haka perthei ka bangi kum kinong snong ngi pendan kam ya shibun ki tiar bat bread no eki ladangim pendan kam shu lani ade ki ladu no kani ka penjabo e ka mei mariang bat iki saudong saukun kumta owe usamla belatip kerteng ko uroni saha ulas seng ya ka kam manwan ra e ka mariang ka bakhuit ka basuba dak ba Pynkylla biang ki marjat shakimar ki Thymmai da ka jingsong khya lor ka jingjor ka jabo bat ka jing pennek no ki tiar ki ba am pendan kam shu di ki long yeng ha ka sor uroni lawan ra ya ka recycle bazar ban Kyntait ka jing thmu ba ki mar Kyntait jong Kiwei kila ban long ki mar ba kongsan jong Kiwei pat am tang kata habangi aino ki tiar ki bangim pendan kam shu sha ka recycle bazar lagi de ki tiar plastik ni ki tiar nar ka recycle bazar ka siu ka layangi da ka pisah tungin ngap ya kani ka jingkren lor kani ka phang watla kani ka jingya kren hapreng unong san Hima ba uroni saha kadai ha ka ktien English hanrei ngi sngo bangi dei ban Kyntait lang ya baro kinong sengkam ki ba don hapo ka jela lagi dei na kinu ki jat ben riu daba ki dei ki bawan ra jing men toy ka jela par ki ba ai kam ai jami ki khon samla ka briu hnyo trem. So before we start this interview, would you like to introduce to the audience about your name and what you do?
So my name is Ronnie Shah and I'm the initiator of Recyclable Bazaar. So we are creating a tech-based waste management company where we are creating a smartest waste ecosystem, okay, empowering the rag pickers and traditional waste collectors. So the Recycle Bazaar we have started in 2024 September, and so far we recently completed our first year, and yeah, so far so good by God's grace.
Haba unong san Hima ula yo banya kran ba uroni unong seng ka Recycle Bazaar ula thu ba la seng ya ka Recycle Bazaar haus nam arajar ar husaw bada ka jinglam nanti jong ublay ki kam ki jam ki yat bet shakman haba kelli alor ka jingyo I jingai bat ka thong jong Recycle Bazaar ha ka sor uroni ula batai ba ka phang ka long manwan ra ya ka zero waste ban ambret ya ki jabo ha ka khndo ban lomban nang ki tiar kitar ki bala Kyntait uroni ula ong ba ha ka por bik sedang ya kani ka mission kila sam ki kot ling kodop shi ki pat ba ha ka ba ya ki ba ai ki tiar kitar ban Thymmai biang an sam da ka pisa bat kani ka pen pau nam ya ka kam uroni ula ong ba ka thong halor ka Recycle Bazaar ka long ban lum ban nang ki tiar ne ki yeng sa jong ki brio kilas dang shwa ne ki tiar ki bamput kum ki plastik ki ten bat ki we ki tiar bala bread de ki brio hadien lai benai ha ka jingya dan ti Naduh nai lur hadu nok pra haba ujulet lom ni ki tiar jot ne ki yeng brio ban sngok thu kham sha halor ka jing e ki nong thiet bat komno ka ya ka kom trei kam ki brio ki ba julum tiar men shwa usngok thu ba ki brio ki kwa ban kham sok ka kam henrei ka babha bat menta ki brio la kham sha bat sngok thu halor ka jing pen khuj ya ka me mariang bat ka sor shalong kala kham sngok thu kham bha ya ka ta.
So our vision is to be zero waste has to be dumped in the landfill. Okay, our aim is to integrate the scrap collection and the garbage waste collection together in this single platform. So when we have started this mission of this collecting waste from door to door households and businesses, we started from the solid waste like which is like mainly like e-waste, plastics, tins, contaminated irons. But in the 3 months of journey from September to December, when I used to go for the collection door to door to understand the problem of consumer as well as with the traditional waste collector, what the challenges they face. So I've understood the collection of the waste, the garbage is not just only the problem. The solid waste is not just only the problem. Consumers are looking for a one-stop solution for everything. I believe right now every day you do a shopping, okay, and it's just one click away. Textile industry, the old clothes generation is getting also very higher. and people are looking for a convenient platform. If you want to recycle anything, you will not go to different platform, okay, for to recycle plastic to different platform, or e-waste to different platform, old clothes to different platform, or vehicle scrap to a different platform. Okay, so people are looking for convenient as well as the professionalism. Okay, and right now the eco-conscious market is growing. People are aware about it, and I'm by God grace, Shillong is much aware and much cleaner. Okay, they are looking for the services. When we have started this journey, we have started just distributing 100 flyers. The campaign name was "Turn Your Trash into Cash." Okay, just with the 100 flyer, and that 100 flyer got viral into the WhatsApp campaign in a WhatsApp group. Okay, and we collected 120 pickups with the almost 50 tons of recycling material we have collected in this 3 months of journey. So this is how it's going on so far.
Habakili na ulas dang banlum Tiar hakasin baningkong du. Nakalang uroni ula jubab na kabaong. Baulas dang ningkong du nakasor shalong. Ulay thu bakum ubriu bala khala sana shalong. Bad uju sa hakiting road. Bad hakapor kabodang kana. Kanala kambiang hakata kajaka kabakisa. Bad bunsin. Kijabo jaban kilang hakaway kajaka. Kabapenong pat ya ka bakan sakun. Kumta ujulom julang kita kijabo na kanala. Bad usya yo kusnam. Namar upen klat di Tiar ki bapuot. Bad Tiar ki bampuon. Bad ude pat di kini Tiar. Namar uju berkat bakini Tiar ki degi barang la man pelon kambiang.
So I'm born and brought up from Shillong. Okay, we used to stay in Kyntait Road. You know Kyntait Road?
Yes.
Okay. There is a drainage. Now it is get covered by this thing for parking. They have used for the parking thing. Okay. But the drain, whenever rains falls now, we used to stay in that chawl. Okay. So all the trash used to come at our home at my childhood. Okay. I was in 5th or 6th standard. Okay, to rid off with that dirty water, okay, we society people used to clean that drainage, okay, like plastics, irons and everything. But I used to get one reward out of it. So in my childhood, I used to segregate that glass bottles, contaminated iron, plastic and everything, and I used to sell to the nearest collection center, the Tina Loawala. Okay, and in my childhood, I used to think about this key, if this trash has a value, why people throw in the drainage? So that stuck in my subconscious mind. Okay, then after that, I moved to Mumbai for my higher education. That time also, the waste problem still bothered me. So I came back in Shillong, taken work from home. Okay, and we shifted to Jal Road, and the municipal vehicle who comes every morning to collect the waste, they have not came since for 1 week, and the waste got piled up in my house. Okay, and my mom is very much environmental friendly, eco-conscious mind, and she's just muttering like there's lots of waste. If I have a storage, I could store this and I can sell it and earn some money. So that was my eureka moment. So I said, why not me? Then I have joined my uncle collection center, who is doing this business since from last 30 years. So you can say I'm the second generation who is taking the initiative to take this in an online platform and moving forward. So I joined with them, worked with them for at least 1.5 years, understand the types of materials and recyclable materials, how it gets recycled, recycling plants, price fluctuations and everything. That's how we have successfully launched our first thing on distributing flyers in September 2024.
Okay, and all the waste has come into the houses of every houses, and we used to clean the waste and used to recycle those things.
Habakili pat kumno ulit ban shim ye Tiar na ying jong kibriu. Uroni ulay thu ba kibriu ki shet phun ya recycle bazar. Hakabasyan an sawan ra'ru da ki app ban kampensuk ye kibriu. Kumalong hakajuk ka ba menta. Ba kibriu ki lala ban order bam na ki restaurant klem da let hi shi ki jaka. Kumta ki long ying ru ki la ban shupun ban pentip. Ba ki don ki Tiar ki bakwa ban IT no. Ba na kali ka recycle bazar. Kan salit shim ye kita ki Tiar da ki kali. But ansa siyo kiliang pat da kapisa siya kita kilong hiye.
So people reach out through our website currently, and we also are developing a application which is going to be live by December itself, iOS and Google application, Google Play Store for Android as well. So it will be a one-stop solution for households and businesses. It's like the way you order food, you can schedule your pickup through the application, and you can earn money through your trash. You can turn your trash into cash basically through that application.
Habakili kumno kile ban penyaklat iki jabo. Uroni uloong bagisit pentip sikipat ba amdan kaman penklat iki jabo naba ka recycle bazar hi kan sale ka badon kam. Uloong ru ba ka recycle bazar ya menta kadang sim tangi ki tiar ki bala ban pendon kam biang.
So basically our Titan goes the waste collectors, okay, whom we call Titan. They once the customers schedule the pickup through website or through WhatsApp, so the waste collector will go directly to the households. They will collect the waste, and according to material, we have 3 collection centers. One is in Laban, one is in Polo, another is in Kitten Road. So they are the collection centers are based on the material. So iron goes to the Kitten Road collection center, cardboard, plastics and papers will go to the Polo collection centers, and glass bottles and everything will go to the Polo collection center. Then it will go to their destination. So basically in the recycling industry, there is individually one recycling plant can't recycle all kind of waste. Okay, so they recycle, like, so for example, cardboard recycling or paper recycling in the recycling plant, they will only recycle plastics and cardboards and papers. And iron or contaminated tins they will only recycle contaminated. So it go to their destination. Some is in Delhi, some is Guwahati, some is to Nalbari. So this is how we will send these segregated waste to their destination of recycling.
Habakili kum kinu gijat tiar ki ba ki jule ban pendon kam biang na kalyang uroni uloong ba menta ki buon hi tang ki plastik kham tam ki plastik song chips ki ba don ni ki silver foil shapo ki ba dei ki ba kham janjar ban pendon kam biang hanrai ki rangwa di ki lat ki lenti ye ki klong di bat kiwei ki kham sok ban pendon kam biang sha ki plastik ki ba kham bha shu
right now we are the challenge that we are facing for the plastic, that is MLP plastic.
Okay.
MLP plastic is called a multi-layer plastic, which you used for the chips and for biscuit packaging, which comes with the silver foiling inside. So this is very hard to recycle, but we are figuring out that as well. But we single-use plastic PET bottles, the drinking water bottles, which we call PET bottle, that is easily recycled and high-quality plastics.
Okay. Habakili kumno lale ban snapen bahabiang ikitiar. Uroni uloong bakini kitiar ki ya shiki jakatrekam ha kabala pen yaki bat pen mi pat shiki sheet bet Thymmai ki bala ban shna shiki wei pat kitiar ki bala ban pendon kam.
So it goes to the main recycling plant. So from that recycling plants, PET bottles converted into sheets. Okay. Contaminated irons get making into new rods. Okay. New utensils. Okay, depends on the category and depends on the market demands.
How does your work contribute to promoting sustainable living in Shillong?
So, for example, the main promoting is we are doing through digital platform, okay, and traditional marketing. But the fortune thing is that whatever we are posting, okay, we are posting related to the who are dealing with this waste. For example, our moms. Okay, but youth are they will like it and they will just do some comments. But the actual initiative is taken by their households, moms and the elders one. So eventually, surprisingly, nowadays our moms also using Instagram and everything. So we are promoting through social media platform as well as the traditional waste collectors who goes to their door-to-door house. And eventually we do awareness campaigns. Okay, so basically we recently done a cleaning drive with St. Advanced College in the environmental day. So we did a cleaning drive. We have did a recycling, material recycling, the waste recovery basically. Okay, whichever the waste we have gathered, we have recycled material whichever is recyclable. So this is how we are doing the promotion till now, and so far, yes, it's going good.
Okay.
Haba kili pat kumno kani ka kam ka bakile ka penyar ka jing em ki brio ki basong basa aselong ban pendan kam ne ki tiar ki bala ban pendan kam biang na kliang roni ula jubab da ka baong ba ningkong ki sedang ban kentiu ling ba ki rensan social media ha ka ba bon sin hi lai I ba kum kini ki sin jam la shim banta da ki kimi ki kpa ban pen khoi ya ka yeng ka sem dang shen gila penong ru ya ka jing pen shai pat ba halor ka jing pen khla di ki tiar ki ba pod na ki bam pod haringkat ka jing pen khoi chnong.
It's crazy response. Okay. It's been, I think, almost we are going to complete 1 year officially. Okay. So as I told you, we have just started to see. The idea is just an idea till the time we doesn't implement it. Okay. We don't have anything. We don't have funding to anything, and recycling is a quite expensive process. The collection, transportation charges, manpower, operation members, it's a quite expensive process. You'll see back end. Okay, so we just started to test the market. We just distributed 100 flyers, okay, with a simple template and going door to door and asking for trash from household. Hey, my name is Ronnie. I'm from Recycle Bazaar. If you have any trash at your house, gather. You just call in this number. We'll come and collect it, and you can turn your trash into cash.
Sorry to bother you, ma'am. So basically, we came from Recycle Bazaar. And we came from Recycle Bazaar. So if you gather any trash in your house, anything like e-waste, paper waste, anything, so basically we recycle, ma'am. So you just call in this number and we'll come and pick it up, ma'am.
Oh, okay, sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. You can scan that QR code to visit our website, ma'am. Thank you.
Habak kili kumno kinong shong ki shim ya kani ka jing ai jing mot jong Recycle Bazaar. Uroni uloong bahadu menta kani ka mission ka bakile kalong ka basayso na babun ki brio ki shim ya ka kum ka kabuk siar. Na marling ba ka jing ai jong ki brio ki marjot jong ki yo pat da ka pisa. Shu la batay ru bahadu menta kilakot sya 1,000 ton ki jabo ki ba kilalum.
So in that 100 flyer, it got viral into WhatsApp campaign, and we recycle almost 50 tons of recycling material in just 3 months of period, on 120 pickups. And we have crossed right now almost 1,500 pickups till now, and almost we are going to touch more than 1,000 tons of waste going to be recycled very soon.
Habak kili la uroni ula yo jingerap ni em na kasorkar panyat syaprangi Commission Recycle Bazaar. Nakaliang uroni ulay thu badeling ba ka Prime Meghalaya bulala ban poi hadu menta. Uroni ulaong ba ula tip syapang ka Prime Meghalaya ling ba ka jingwa jing tip jong uhi daladi. Bada ka jing kasan ka Prime ulayo ya ka jingirap pisa ka balong arlak tingkah.
You are sitting in the government office, ma'am. So this office we got from the Prime Meghalaya, okay, and I got to know about Prime Meghalaya through online actually. So I know, I was aware about it. Ki there is some incubation center in every state. So I was researching about. Unfortunately, I was surprised that Meghalaya has a very good brains now. Okay, they are developing a crazy products that is nobody can beat us, and Northeast is going forward to the entrepreneurship, and this is how the Prime Meghalaya is supporting in every way, in terms of mentorship, in terms of seed funding, which requires a minimal amount, as we are a top 50 in cohort 5 of e-championship. Prime Minister e-championship, we got in top 50, so we got a 2 lakh rupees of grant as well from Prime Meghalaya.
Which year was that?
This year only.
This year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Habakili halor ki kam ki ba ulale ka ba pinhon yo u. Uroni uloong ba ka jing ai men sim jong ki paj ba hi ka de ka wei ka ba pinhon yo u halor ka kam ka ba ulale.
The most important success story is customer response toward this initiative. Okay. I was when I have started this thing, when I've told my mom I'm a graduate, and when I've told my mom that I'm quitting my job, corporate job, and I'll make business from the trash, and my mom is literally crying, what you're doing, like leaving the stable job and you want to do business with trash. Okay, so that was a very scary part, but somehow I've convinced my family, and I joined my uncle's collection center to learn this industry in depth, because this business is all about knowledge. There are many company has came into this industry, and many company has failed every year. okay, because this industry is very big and it's running since from 100 years. Okay, even the internet was exist. So we just taken the initiative of distributing flyers. Okay, we don't have money backup, so we just printed flyers. That campaign name was "Turn Your Trash into Cash." Okay, distribute door to door and asking for trash from households and businesses. Hello ma'am, hello sir, my name is Ronnie. If you have any trash in your house, please call in this number. We'll come and collect it. It's a free collection. Okay, and that flyer got viral into, fortunately it got viral into WhatsApp campaign through group, and we successfully completed 120 pickups in just 3 months and with a recycling material of 50 tons.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the most important success story. The response was the success story for me.
Habakali pat laula ju ai kam ni emi Kiwei pat ki khun samla ban trei hak recycle bazar na kaliang roni ula ong baulas dangi kani ka kam tang dama u bat uwei pat ubai julum mar jabo bat menta kila don hadu ar kun rewet ki bay trei lang uroni ula ong ru baki khun samla hi kila wan shakhamat ban trei lang ban penwan dor ya ka jabo shaka ksiar.
We always initiated and we started from 2 members, me and one waste collector has started this. Right now we are at 26 members in our company within just 1 year, and most of them are, you can see in our office, the youth are taking initiative to give contribution to this mission. Okay, it's just not just a startup, we are a mission that we want to turn each trash into value. That is our goal.
Habakali ki e ki jing e ki baulam mat ban pen ko ngo i ki pai ba ban pen khlat i ki nyut na ki bapot sha ki bampot uroni ula ong ba ki nong shlong i de ki bri ki ba start ki ba e ya ki jing khoi ba ki ba mani ka mariang bat kam don jing e ban pen so thu e ki ban pen khlat i ki jabo na mar ki la tip lupa hanrai ka jing e ka ba ula sham hi ka dai banias nok ti lang bat ki yo ki bala dan lupa.
See, to be very honest, Shillong, our Shillong people are very smart, okay, and we worship nature, okay,
Exactly.
correct. And in Khasi, I am non-Khasi by the way. So, but in Khasi, they are very much into cleanliness. Okay, they take care of cleanliness very seriously, and there is nothing challenge from the consumer end. From the customer, the challenge is from the back end part. Like the biggest issue that we faced, that if you schedule a pickup at 2 p.m, we will not able to reach at 2 p.m. just because of the traffic. Okay, and this is the first challenge we are facing. And second challenge is facing the to collaborate with the existing market. Okay, our mission is not to build your own company and whoever is the existing player, you remove those players and you be in a part. So we are not into that. We are into collaborated mindset where we can collaborate with the existing collection center who are collecting waste and transferring those waste collector into Titan. But they are very much into business mindset. They just want to collect the valuable item. They are not into waste management part. They doesn't know about waste management. They see as this is a resources and this is a high value item. If you have ever deal with the waste collector who comes to your home, they will only collect which items which is value for them. Otherwise, they will not collect old clothes or papers which is cheap quality materials. Okay, so we are facing with them, but also we are showing the opportunity and the quantity of recycling if they recycle, and we are training them. And fortunately, from 1 member to 11 member we have, and we so far we will grow to our aim is to onboard 20 more collection centers in Shillong itself, and 200 Titans we are aiming of.
Habakali kumno ki thau ye ki tiar ki bala yo lom na ki long ye uroni ula jubab da ka ba ong ba ki don ki kor ki ba ki thau ya ga jingkhia jong ki tiar hanrai ki don ki bre ki ba shu ai sungo bhai ki tiar klem da kwa ya ka pisa Kiwei pat ki shu pha bet ya ki tiar bat kat kom ka jingkhia ki tiar bala kit da ka kor thau la yo ban pen phai pat da ka pisa namar ki tip ba ki to ki tiar ki don ya ka dor wala ki dei ki ba amla man pen don kam shu.
So we have a proper weigh machine. Okay. So some customer give just take it and share the bill on later on, who trust us. Okay. And those who see, for some customer trash is for trash for them, and for some customer trash is cash for them. Okay, so if the customer is looking as it's a good part, it's a good thing, who see as a trash as a value, it's a very appreciate. We give them a convenient, we have a proper process, like once they schedule a pickup, we share the price list and everything to be a very transparent, and one operation head will go with the Titans to communicate with the customer and give more awareness about it. Okay, people doesn't know even the plastic which comes in a packaging of your shirts and everything, that is also recyclable, but they used to throw it into municipal. But also we are giving awareness that this is recyclable, this is recyclable, this is recyclable. Ma'am, you next time you please keep those things as well. Okay, so this is how we are communicating with the customers as well. Also we do measurements and everything on the spot, and we have a digital, I'll show you the bill and everything, how we measure and everything. Is process is very transparent. I'll show you that video as well. Very transparent, yeah.
Haba kali ki e gijing thumu ki ba udan man pinwan dor shu ya ka recycle bazar ha ki snam ki ban wan na kalyang uroni lo ong ba ka thong hi ka dei ban Pynkylla ki jabo sha ka e ka badon dor ka jing thumu ban dan shilak ngot ki nong trei kam ha po ka recycle bazar ki dan ru ya ka jing thumu ban wan ra de ki kor ki ba la ban Pynkylla ki jabo ki ba ji kham tam ki ba mi na ki yeng shet ja sha ki tiar ki ba pan khoi ya ka yeng kum ki jing pan khoi madan kamra sum bat Kiwei mat ka wei ru ka thong ka de ban wan ra ya ka yo ka kot jung ki nong tam ten jot ki ba long ru ki ba pan khoi ya ka me maryang.
So our aim is to convert each trash into value. Okay, and we are aiming to from waste to energy. Also we are developing enzyme technology where we can convert wet waste into cleaning products. Which wet waste gets generated more. Okay, so we call as a food scrap or kitchen scrap. Okay, where we will do our enzyme technology and we will convert into the cleaning products like floor cleaner, toilet cleaner and dishwasher. So this is our aim, and we aim to improve more and more livelihood of rack pickers who live. This is the only way to sustain. You have seen them many times, and whom we call kachra wala. Okay, but as you know, they are not kachra wala, they are the cleaner. Okay, and they collect the waste from door to door, and we doesn't respect them. Okay, so our aim is to give them a better livelihood and upgrade them from rack pickers to Titans. Titans means, as I told you, the very important person for the society, and they are the soul of our company. Our aim is to employ 1 lakh rack pickers to convert into our Titans. This is our mission, and the main mission is to there should be no landfill in Shillong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Khadwai uroni ulo ai ka jingkran ai min siam shi ki khon samla ki nong snong ka jilla ba ki wei ba thumu ban wan ra jingkala sha ka emlang ka salang da ka ba ong ba de ban ai burom mi ki bri ki ba wan lum ye ki martin jat ye ki jabo jaban na ki yeng ki sam jongi na marla da kim don ki ni ngi ki bri ngin sa sha bret sha ka nyut ha ka wei ka sngi ula ban rap da ka ba ong ba ki ni ki long upaya jong ka jingkhuj ki ba Pynkylla ki jabo sha ki tiar ki ba bha ki ba ngila ban pendon kambiang shu uroni ula kran khaddu da ka ba ong ba long ki bri ki bambrat pathari ki jabo hanrei pendon kambiang ye ki ha ka wei pat ka rukom na mar ka ni ka ai jingsok ki kalawei jongi iwei pa iwei.
See, the major message that I want to give, whoever comes to your doorstep and collect the waste, do respect them. They are the one who is the backbone of the recycling industry, and they are unseen till now. Okay, and they deserve the respect first of all. Okay, if we don't, if they are not there, we will be thrown into the garbage very soon, because as the Indian economy is growing, and economy is connected to the development and more consumption mean more waste. So please do recycle each day, every day, and recycle is very, very important for our better future. This is the thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ronnie.
Thank
it was so nice talking with you. I hope you have a really great future ahead.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ha ka ba khaddu ni ai ka jingkhuplei sha phi baro ki nong pet bat ki baju karshan ka channel unong san Hima Ngi ai ko blei ru yo roni saha ba ulala ban wan ra ya jingkala ha ke emlang ka salang bat kham tam ya ka por ka jong u ban ya kran ban ngi ban batai ban ya ngi halor kumnu ban penon kam yang ki tiar ka balong ka jing ai ji hikai yang ba dia phi bangi dei ban burom mar kaliang iwei langi trei kanu ka kam ngi dei ru ban burom ya ka mei mariang ban i ya ka jing khut bat ban ambret pathari ki nyut ki ner ki plastik bat ki wei namar ling ba ka recycle bazar ngila man penon kambiang yaki hakalaway kabanwan.